it's Tonya from Tonya's Bakeshop, and today we're going to be going over a Bosu ball burpee. So to start off, you are going to want to flip your Bosu upside down so that the ball portion is on the ground. You're going to start off grabbing the outside handles of the Bosu ball, and then your feet are going to be at hips width apart. You're going to jump back into a tall arm plank, drop down into a push-up, and then hop back in, pulling that Bosu ball up to an overhead press. And that is a Bosu ball burpee. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you'd like to see more videos from me. Thanks, guys!